Hi guys, Smooth and Copper here, and we're in the great state of Vermont in the Northeast Kingdom, and we got a guest with us today, my sister Kathy. Hi Kathy.
Hi.
Wave to the camera.
I'm touched to a dog.
Yeah, we got 3 dogs.
Now Jake's
So
taking a poop.
it ought to be like a circus going up this mountain. So it's 1.6 miles to the summit of Bluff Mountain, and we're in Island Pond, aka Brighton, Vermont. So here we go. I'll just wave to the camera here. Hi guys. So I'm just going to take video clips on the way up, and then hopefully there'll be a view at the top, and we'll see you shortly. So this is nice. We're starting off going through a red pine forest. These are really beautiful. And we're going to be following the blue blaze. And this is the Bluff Mountain Trail that we're taking. You can do this whole thing on a loop, but the backside cliff trail, or whatever it's called, is really steep, and you got to use handhold, so it's not good for dogs. So we're just going to go up the easier Bluff Mountain Trail and then back down. Beautiful red pines, I love it. Look at that. They're all like in rows. I wonder if these were planted like after, maybe like after a hurricane or something came through here. They sure are symmetrically lined in perfect rows, so I'm guessing that's what it was. But they are pretty. I think these were planted. See how straight the rows are?
Yeah.
Where's Copper? There you are, buddy. Hi, buddy. Okay, moving on. Alright, we were out of the red pines, and we just had a little bit of a steep section through the mixed forest.
And the dog didn't fall off.
No, the old lady went on. She went like crazy. Old lady. She's not an old lady. We're just not 20 anymore, right?
No.
Okay, we'll get a quick selfie. Hey! We didn't break the camera yet.
Not yet.
Ready to go, Copper? It's really pretty here. Really nice trail. Very well trodden and well marked. We're getting some elevation behind us now, and just wanted to give you a quick clip. We got a really nice breeze, which makes it the workout of climbing so much easier. It feels really good. It's like 73 degrees with a breeze. Perfect hiking weather. And so I'm going to cut this short, but I just wanted to see a little bit of the trail in front of us. Some really nice birch trees. And of course, my lovely sister and the doggies. See, all those birch trees are beautiful. Good sized ones too. Okay guys, moving on. Okay, so it looks like we're coming to the junction of the Lookout Trail and the Bluff Mountain Trail, and we're going to stay in the Bluff Mountain Trail because, again, the Lookout Trail is very steep with handholds,
dogs, we can't do it
and
with
dogs cannot. I read on one of the hiking trail sites, it's not good for dogs. Ledges with handholds. So we're not going to do the loop. We're going to the top to the view and then back out the same way we came. This way on the Bluff Mountain Trail. About a mile left-ish. Right, doggies? That breeze is just great. Alright. So we just came down these really nice stairs that I'm probably not going to film on the way back, so I'm going to give you a little preview of them now. This is heading back. But really nice stairs between these two, between the split boulder. And so here we go, onward. Ready, guys? Hi, Copper? Hi, Jake? Going through a little ravine here with a nice little plank bridge. Oh, the doggy's getting a treat. How do you guys rate? I haven't had my treat yet. I brought granola bars, a peach, and cookies.
This way.
Good dog. Okay, we're approaching some signage here. Let's see what it says. Oh, Ridge Junction.
Tyson, this way.
Yeah, so we're going to the right, Bluff Mountain Trail.
Half a mile to the summit, so it's going to be
Yes,
all up.
ma'am. Basin Link. Yeah, we're not doing any of that. That's the part that's not dog friendly.
Wait, Tyson.
And action.
It's awful steep, but we're getting there.
Yeah, we just, a little bit of a switchback now, but we just came up a really steep section. Kind of reminded me of the White Mountains in New Hampshire. The camera really doesn't show, but it's really steep down there. But hey, I just got a glimpse of Island Pond through the trees. I don't know if you guys can see it, but Island Pond through the trees there. And we're going to be eventually getting to a point where we'll be able to see it. There's a lookout out up here. Alright, I'll stop babbling. We'll see you at the top. Okay guys, we made it to the actual USGS point at the very top of Bluff Mountain.
Coast and Geodetic
Yep.
Survey.
Yep. That means it's the top. There's the bronze mark. We're at the highest point, which I don't know what it is off the top of my head.
Jake?
But we all made it. That's great. Yay! Ready? Selfie. Yay, we made it. We made it. Yeehaw! Okay, so now that we've passed the summit, we're taking a little excursion, 1/10 of a mile, down the Lookout Trail to the actual overlook, or the lookout. And it overlooks Island Pond, which is incidentally where we're camping on this trip. Whoa, that is beautiful. Cover stay. So here we are. What a and there you go, Island Pond with the island. Right in the middle. And there's the town of Island Pond down there. Wow, what a beautiful view, huh?
There we go. How beautiful.
And if you look,
John, 2 dogs, Copper, Jake.
So you can almost see where we're camping if you look at the island right there, and then look just to the left of it. There's a little bit of a point there with just a little bit of a sandy beach. That's right next to our campground where we're staying. We actually walk from our campsite down to that sandy beach area and go swimming.
Yep.
Nice breeze going on. Yep.
Right on that point.
Really nice.